Hi, welcome to this demo of Indy. I am going to show you how you can easily automate your accounting as an indie business in a couple of steps. This is a trial account for businesses that pay corporate income tax. Getting started with Indy is super simple. Just visit our website and click on Create an Account. Indy has two main offers. One free offer that allows you to do your bookkeeping and another offer at €49 excluding tax per month to prepare your business income tax declaration. In this video, we're going to explore the paid offer, but I will specify at each step what is included in each offer. We will start with the Dashboard tab. This is a tab that will allow you to keep an eye on your finances in real time. In the first graph, you'll be able to take a look at the month-over-month evolution of your income and expenses, as well as your operating result. If you click on expenses, for instance, you will be able to see all the details of your expenses for each month and for each category. If you go down, you will also find more useful information such as your result after tax, your bank account balance, your VAT, and your cash position. All these numbers are updated daily, and the data comes from the Transactions tab that we will explore right now. This tab is the heart of the app. It contains all the bank account transactions from the business accounts you have decided to link to Indy when you created your account. You will find exactly the same information that you have in your bank account. It means the transaction description, the date, and the amount. Indy will simply add an accounting category and the VAT rate. 90% of the time, this data will be added automatically by Indy. However, the rest of the time, Indy will ask you to categorize the transaction, and we will also provide some category suggestions. If you want to check more details, just click on To Categorize, and this will open a search bar where you can see all the accounting categories. When I hover over an accounting category, a blue box will appear with a description of what this category is generally used for. I can also just type in a keyword. And Indy will show me the category that is most commonly used for this type of transaction. Then I just need to click on it in order to assign it to the transaction. It is important to mention as well that you can also add a receipt to a transaction by clicking on the paperclip. If you're using the mobile app, you can click on the paperclip and take a picture directly in order to upload it to the app. Finally, it is important to say that you can also add other transactions than those that have been automatically imported from your linked bank account. By clicking on Add, you can add an expense report, a personal bank account receipt, a cash expense, or a cash deposit. Keeping this tab updated would only take you a couple of minutes per year and will allow you to easily generate some reports such as your VAT export or your annual balance sheet. All these tabs that we have seen are included in the free version. However, the To-Do tab is only accessible to those that have subscribed to the paid offer at €49 per month. The access to this tab is essential to generate the declarations that are requested by the French tax authorities. Under this tab, you will find all the step-by-step instructions you need to follow in order to generate your tax declarations, as well as an estimation of how long it will take you to fill out the steps. So here in the middle, you have the declarations that you can fill out right now, whereas on the right, you'll find the upcoming tax declarations and their deadlines. Let's take the example of the VAT declaration. Just click on it to see the steps you will need to follow. You will find explanations at each step to guide you through them. Let's now go to the Invoicing tab. Creating an invoice is super simple. Just click on Create an Invoice and enter the information that is required concerning your business and your client as well. You will also be able to take a look at your saved drafts, the invoices that are waiting for payment, and those that have been paid. Under the Document tab, you will find all the accounting and tax documents that are automatically generated by Indy. All of them will be already filled out. They will be updated every time you make a change to the Transactions tab or on the steps in the To Do tab. You can check them out online, and you can also download them as a PDF file. Last but not least, there is a Support tab that redirects you to our Help Center and our blog, where you will find many articles that will help you get the most out of Indy. And of course, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our customer support team by clicking on the blue chat bubble. They will answer back in less than 5 minutes. So there it is. I hope you have a better understanding and how easy it is to do your bookkeeping and tax declarations thanks to Indy.